the first slide is transportation in plants. Okay, in plants, transportation of materials like food, water, mineral takes place through two conducting tissue, and these are, one is xylem and another is phloem. So come to the first point, that is xylem. So what is xylem? Actually, it transports water and mineral from the root, okay, from the root to the all parts of the plant. It consists of xylem vessel, okay, this one is xylem vessel, and tracheids, this one is called tracheids, okay, xylem vessel and tracheids, and also it has this water and minerals enters into the roots by means of diffusion. It is a process, okay, and then due to the transpirations, okay, water and minerals enter into the root by means of diffusion, and due to the transpirations, due to transpiration, what is transpirations? Transpiration is exhalation of water vapor through the stomata, which is present within the leaves. Stomata, what is stomata? Stomata is a tiny pore present in leaves, जो तुम सब लोग जानते हो. And due to this transpiration, the suction force helps the upward movement of water and mineral. Okay, पहले क्या होता है, ट्रांसपीरेशन हो रहा है. As a result of this, a upward suction force is created, and minerals and waters diffused into the roots as a result of this. Okay, so this is the mechanism by which xylem transport water and minerals from the roots to the all parts of the plants. Xylem also consists xylem fiber and xylem parenchyma. All the parts of xylem like tracheids, xylem vessels and xylem fiber, all are dead tissue except xylem parenchyma is a living part, which is a very important question. Okay, xylem parenchyma is a living part, and all the three parts like tracheids, xylem vessel and xylem fiber are dead part. Okay, next come to the next conducting tissue, which is phloem. What is the function of phloem? Phloem transport food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant, and this process is called translocation. It is a very much important question. Okay, what is translocation? Translocation is that process by which phloem transports food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Now, phloem consists of sieve tube, this is called sieve tube, and companion cell, and this one is companion cells. Okay, and this is called sieve plate, and some sorts of phloem fiber. Okay, these four parts of phloem. Now this phloem fiber is only dead part, but this is xylem fiber. Actually this is phloem fiber. Okay, this is the phloem fiber. This phloem fiber is dead. This phloem fiber is dead. Only one part of phloem that is dead, it is phloem fiber, and all the three parts like sieve tube, companion cells and sieve plate, all are living part. Okay, food from the phloem is transferred to the xylem by the energy of ATP molecule. Okay, foods from the phloem transferred to xylem is by the energy of ATP molecules. Okay, and which mechanism food transport through phloem? Due to osmotic pressure. Okay, due to osmotic pressure, water enters the phloem and helps in the transport of food. This is the mechanism. Due to osmotic pressure, water enters into the phloem and helps in the transport of food. Okay, thank you. Okay, come to the last part, that is excretion. What is excretion? So simple. Excretion is a process by which waste product produced during metabolic activities is removed by the body. Okay, so you should remember that in unicellular organism, waste products are removed from cells into surroundings by diffusion. Okay, it is very much important question. In unicellular organism, waste products are removed from cells into the surroundings by means of diffusion. Okay, and in multicellular organisms, the waste products are removed through specialized organ like kidney, nephron. Okay, each kidney contains 10 lakhs of nephron, which is a functional unit of kidney. So this diagram shows human excretory system. Okay, it is the किडनी. ओके, किडनी का ऊपर पोर्शन में एक ग्लैंड रहता है, उसको हम कहते हैं एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, एंड एड्रिनल ग्लैंड सेक्रेट एड्रिनालिन हार्मोन. ओके, एंड इट इज़ अ क्रॉस सेक्शन, एंड क्रॉस सेक्शन बाहर पोर्शन जो है इसको हम कहते हैं कॉर्टेक्स, एंड इनर पोर्शन जो है उसका मेडुला. दिस इज पेल्विस, renal pelvis, and this is renal artery and renal vein. Okay, this portion is ureter and opening of ureter here, and this is urinary bladder. Okay, where urine is stored, and this is bladder opening, and this is nephron, the functional unit of kidney. It is discussed, it will be discussed in the next slide. Okay, now this is a nephron diagram, which is a functional unit of kidney. Each kidney contains 10 lakh of nephrons. Now nephron contains a cup-like structure. This is called Bowman's capsule. Okay, and within the Bowman's capsule, capillary bundle is there. Capillary bundle. Okay, and this is called glomerulus. This Bowman capsule leads to a tubule. Okay, this portion is called proximal convoluted tubule, and this total portion is called loop of Henle. So this tubule is called descending part of loop of Henle, and this part is called ascending part of loop of Henle, and this is called distal convoluted tubule, and this portion is collecting tract. Through renal artery, nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid, that is urine, comes into the glomerulus, and then it enters into the tubules, that is proximal convoluted tubule, then loop of Henle, and then distal convoluted tubule, and then it passes through the collecting duct. Okay, collecting duct. After that, this nitrogenous waste, what excess water and salt comes through the ureter and enters into the bladder. From there it's sent out of the body. In this way human excretory system works. Some useful material like amino acids, glucose, salts, these are absorbed by these capillaries. Okay, by these capillaries which surrounded the tubules, reabsorbed. Okay, useful material like glucose, amino acid, salts, these are reabsorbed by these capillaries which surrounds the tubule in this process. After reabsorption of the useful material by the capillaries, these products are goes into the renal vein. Okay, this all the parts are discussed in the previous slide. Now excretion in plants. In plants, gaseous waste products produced during respiration, that is carbon dioxide, and during photosynthesis, that is oxygen, are removed through the stomata. Okay, stomata is a tiny pores that presents within the leaves. Excess water is removed through the stomata and this process is called transpiration. Okay, जो आप सब लोग को पता है what is transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which excess water is removed through stomata. And some waste products are stored in the leaves and removed when the leaves dry and fall off. When the leaves are dry and fall off, these products are excreted. Okay. Some waste products are stored in vacuoles. Vacuoles is empty space and waste products are stored within the vacuoles. Some waste products like gums and resins are stored in the old xylem. In old xylem, some waste products like gums and resins are stored. Some waste products are removed through the roots. Okay. So by all the processes, excretion in plants takes place. Thank you. Thanks all the students. Kindly subscribe my channel and like and share the video. Thanks.